How's it going, everyone? Brian Hoops here with the Midwest Market Solutions Market Insider closing TV comments. It is Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening, October the 25th. Hope your trading day went well. We're going to start with a chart of cattle here. I'm going to flip these charts a little bit. All right, so we're going to start with cattle. This is our December cattle contract. Notice this nice solid uptrend that the market's been in, but also look at this seasonal right here where seasonal weakness coming into the marketplace, but we are making new highs. In fact, we made new highs today, and you go all the way back on this continuation chart, highest level since August the 4th. So big moves here. A lot of resistance right at this 121 area. A lot of hedging, I think, is going to come into place, but on weakness, the funds have still been buyers, and until this trend line gets broken, I think the funds probably stay on the buy side no matter the supplies or the cash news. Now, today we opened stronger, or opened steady, rallied, made new highs, and then turned lower. The Fed online auction had no cattle being sold, and that was seen as a little bit of a negative. There was some bids out of the country, 113 bids, and that was quickly passed. Earlier in the week, we heard offers of 113 to 114, but feedlots turned more bullish after the big run in the futures market, and that set us back here today. So likely see a little weakness tomorrow, but we're probably going to see some hedge lifting when the cash trade develops. The question will be, does the packer blink first, or do they pull off their captive supplies and try and leverage the cash market at least steady this week? So that's what's going on in the cattle. Look at a chart here of feeder cattle. They made new highs as well. You go back to this resistance point here. Back on the charts, you go back to the highs that we made in September. Could be a potential double top there on the chart. Look at this index here, this purple line. This is the large fund index. They're at about 100% buying capacity that they've been at over the last 6 months, and that's usually a negative factor. Want to look at the hogs before we leave the pork complex. Again, nice solid steady uptrend, but a period of seasonal weakness in here, and a lot of resistance coming at the 65.80 area. In the grains, soybeans were higher overnight. We remarked that there's not a lot of fundamental news to push prices to new highs. We thought the 7-cent gains that we saw overnight not going to be sustained with the wetter forecast for eastern part of Brazil. Beans did end up just a quarter-cent lower today, failing at this resistance. It did not negate the bearish reversal from the previous day. Wheat futures probably took it in the chin here the most. We had resistance right here at this 441 area, and we closed well below it after testing that. In fact, we made new highs and then turned back a little softer. Our speculators sold on the wheat here today, and if you like these videos that we do these for speculative trades as well, where we do a video and talk about the trades that we want to put on and the reasons why. So hopefully that helps you out, and if you ever have any questions or need to get signed up on that email list, let me know. Corn here rallied to new highs for the move, and the highest for the month of October did turn back lower. Looks like we're just going to stay in this trading range here for a while in this corn market. 2 cents lower. News was pretty limited. No private sales today. If you have any questions, get hold of any of our offices. I'd be glad to talk with you. This has been Brian Hoops. Have a great night, everybody, and we'll talk to you soon.